Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare cream of mushroom soup. We can prepare cream of mushroom soup in a jiffy. It's very healthy and nutritious. Mushrooms are available in the market all the time these days, so do try this recipe. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for the recipe. We have cleaned the mushroom, washed it and sliced the button mushrooms and reserved. We'll require fresh cream, roughly chopped onion, garlic, ginger garlic paste, and chilies. I'll be using milk. We'll require all purpose flour, maida, pepper powder, parsley flakes, and butter. This is a very simple recipe you can put together in few minutes. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok we have added the butter. Now we'll add the ginger garlic paste, garlic, chili and onion. We'll fry all the ingredients. Don't allow the butter to burn, otherwise you'll have a burnt soup. The onions should turn transparent. At this point we'll add the mushrooms. Once we add the mushrooms, do add your all-purpose flour, which is maida. This will absorb all the excess moisture from the mushrooms and the mushrooms will not shrink fast. So this is a tip. So do add your maida and fry all your ingredients. In roughly about 5 to 10 minutes, the mushroom will shrink a little bit and it would have cooked. So here you can see the maida has absorbed all the moisture and the mushroom has cooked. Now we'll transfer this to a mixer jar and grind it into a smooth paste. We'll add half a cup of water to grind this into a smooth paste. Now the ground mushroom, we'll transfer it to the wok back again. We need to dilute the soup. So I've added 1 cup of water to the mixer jar and the remaining soup which was there in the mixer jar, I've diluted everything and transferred it back to the soup. So here you can see I've stirred all the ingredients. The soup is somewhat diluted, but we'll be adding milk to this. We'll stir all the ingredients. We need to boil this on low to medium flame. Do adjust the salt at this point. Don't add salt when your mushrooms are cooking. Add the salt right now. At this point we'll add pepper powder and parsley flakes and we'll bring this to a rapid boil. If needed, you can add cream at this point, or once the soup starts to boil, at that point you can add your cream. Now I've stirred all the ingredients. I've added the cream. I've added 4 tablespoons of cream. Once the soup starts to boil, it's ready. We can serve it immediately. Link to my blog for detailed recipes posted in the description box, along with my social media handle links and the YouTube Tamil channel link. So do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.